to fish food. How get into so many foods in it? Okay, I just got on multi for yesterday. They can talk. Hi there. Hello. Are you having fun? Yeah, that's great. Anyway, since you are having fun, want to leave a review? What's the point of leaving your review? It lets developers know what you like mimic, which probably get them stuck more stuff. They probably have more viewers already. But more feedback gives me game more visions and stories. That's explain the people always feeling like unsubscribe. I hate they do that. Anyways, want to review? No thanks, I don't really feel like it. Wasn't talking to you. I should send, bro. I sent for yesterday. Okay, bye. Let's go. Popcorn, eclair, peas, milk. Okay. Oh my gosh, it actually takes so long in here. Okay, I need a doctor. What's wrong? There's chocolate on me. It's trying to eat me. Don't be ridiculous. That chocolate is just a part of who you are. No, it's not this parasite. I'm being eaten by it. Calm down. It's something to eat you. We need to remove the chocolate. Nah. Well, I guess it was right. Oh well, it's too chocolate to know anything about you. Okay. How is the person? Hello, you're there. Hello! Oh well, it was nice to know you. Just kidding. It's not nice. I miss my car. Can I tell? Don't be low. What's wrong? There's nowhere contracts. I'm in here. It's too hot. That's life. But I need the air contracts to survive. No, you don't have. You can't live without it. I really can't. We'll see about that. Look at me. You done to me. Oh no. I told you this would happen. You are dripping all over the floor. Really, you more concrete floors than me. This coming after second this point. Now I'm polluted. You really are. That's a fish. We have a. What is this food? I forgot about. This a walnut. I want to be an artist. I'm pretty sure walnut be an artist. Why not? Because you don't have a hands. That's sure. I'm going to attack. That is exciting. It's very exciting. They might be so made. What did you two meet? We need online. I hope you get a catfish. Already got catfish you. Whatever happened on for you did. Well again, you're alive. Yeah, as alive any mobile game character can be. Sure.
Meowdoku is the most challenging brain game in 2026. Do you want to know how high your IQ is? Try this game.
Every color hides one cat. So that lonely purple square, gotta be a cat. And no cat can touch another. So every square around it, off limits.
Do you guys also remember those games where you had to feed the monsters to upgrade them? That game is called Monster Legends, and it just came out with a new version, and I cannot stop playing it. This is my first baby monster. I named him Crusher. He didn't stay little for long. After a ton of feeding and some training, he became unstoppable.
Okay, here we go. Please speak again. Oh, more tower rooms coming soon. Actually, more has come to get. You have to like it, subscribe to my channel, guys. I have a rent. It's pretty expensive here. Actually, this is pretty nice place. I started expecting renting bitcoins. You only have a given one, just one. Yep, just one bitcoin. Wow, it sounds good, too good to be true. I'll get you one. I'm surprised you have any behind us. Well, I don't have any at the moment, but I know to get it. Be right back. So, what's wrong? I don't mind entire love. Yes, answering to this one. I've been doing self-reflection. Did you learn anything about yourself? I can count the number of times I've been really happy on my man. But you don't have any fingers. You don't need fingers to count 0. Let's get to level 8, guys. Whoa. Almost. What? Chocolate. Also, the squirrel pooped something. Chocolate. That was chocolate. Okay, this is enough for me, guys. Bye bye.